So on the last part of the review, we would now put in the last detail for Garo here. Um, this strap. But before anything else, um, just want to share when I bought this figure Gouten, it came with this box. So it looks like the same strap that came with the figure, as you can see. There you go. Yeah. So this one is fixed. It's not bendable, and it has a fragile feel to it, so it may break. Then this one came with a figure. So for comparison purposes, pretty much it's the same, except maybe for this guy here, because this is goes all the way straight up compared on the rest of these straps. This I have extra. So yeah, so let's use this one instead. The one that came with the horse. So this strap will be attached here by attaching this one on the peg hole at the back of Garo. See, it still has a nice sculpt. Focus, focus. Yeah, nice detail. Nice at the back. Alright. Come on, man. Alright. Here. So originally, Garo has a diamond detail that you will have to put on his back. Here, I think this is the logo of the Makai Knight. Or rather, the Golden Knight. So every time Garo would ride this horse, originally, put this one. Originally, the figure came with a cape, but every time he ride on Goten here, it will be replaced by these ones. I have never seen Garo wearing a cape on his horse ever. So yeah. So let's put this one here. There. Right. So it's easy to put in on the figure. I think this will be used for dynamic posing, but not a very good or a storage friendly detail that you would put on. So yeah, it's nice. I'm not going to use the Tamashi stand that came with the figure because I think I will just post this figure this way and yeah. There you have it. Mm-hmm. But you know what? Let me try something else. Let me take Garo here, and then let's put on the cape. Right. So not originally part of my plan to do this, but out of curiosity, why the hell not? Think it would look cool. I just think it would look cool. Like he's a majesty or something. There we go. Oh crap. Does it look nice? Mm, kinda. Mm, kinda. Alright, so pretty much that's about it. For people who like a detailed figure, I highly recommend this one. Even though if you're not a fan of the series, it may come on a very, very expensive price tag, but I think it's worth it. It's really worth it. Came off. Not broken. Everything's good. See? So yeah. Thank you for watching and hope you check my blog. Thanks.